Hi everyone, this is Ben from Tek1. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Tek1's tools. This tool will dimension the panel quickly and efficiently, allowing you to do shop drawings much faster than dimensioning manually. There are two commands. There's the horizontal and vertical dimensioning. Both dimensions will see if there's a cross dimension inserted. If there isn't one, it'll add one. Then it'll dimension everything by family groups. It'll also do overall panel dimensions, and it'll also do a separate dimension for the door. Let's demonstrate this. Let's demonstrate horizontal dimensions. Click on the panel you want to dimension, then select the items you want to dimension. In this particular case, we are going to select let's select all of these items here. All of these ones. In fact, let's include the far face ferrules here. When it dimensions, you can see a cross dimension has been inserted, and the first dimension it asks for is an overall panel dimension. You can put this whenever you want. I'm just clicking randomly to show you how the tool works. Let's put an overall dimension there. Now you can see the next one is the lower grout tube, and the relevant element that we want to dimension is highlighted in red, and everything is separated by the type and also whether it's near face or far face. So for example, if you have elements that are far face that are the same as elements that are near face, they will be dimensioned separately. Okay, so let us dimension this here. I'll put the dimension here. There's a continuous and ordered dimension, and it has a separate text note attached near the dimension. Next one is the ferrules. I'm just going to dump it here. Next one is a strong back. So I don't want to dimension that, so I'm just going to click escape. Next one is the M16 ferrule, the near face ones. So we'll dimension that there. So you can see immediately that these two ferrules are the same ferrule, except the dimensions are separate because one is near face and one is far face. You know, it makes it a little bit easier for the guys in the factory. Next one is the M20 prop. I'm going to dump it up here. Let's say. Let's put this here. And the final dimension is doorway dimension. So I'm going to put it next to the overall panel. Okay. And if you can always move the dimensions or move the elements of the dimension if they don't line up perfectly. So we've dimensioned the entire lower half of the panel. So don't forget, we still have to dimension these ferrules at the top. If you don't have those, then it could be a bit problematic. So bear that in mind. Make sure you dimension the full panel. Let us do the vertical dimension. I'm just going to click randomly. So we want to dimension all of these panel elements. Click finish. Cross dimension is put in. If it's not there, overall goes first. Let's put this on the far edge. Then edge lifter. Let's put this here. Then the inserts at the top. Let's put it here. Just clicking randomly. Notice how some inserts are perfectly in line. If that's the case, only one dimension is added. So this becomes important. If you start moving around some of these ferrules, you need to redimension those elements. Let me put this dimension everything randomly. I'm going to click here. When you do it, you have to put it, where it makes sense. But I'm just doing this to demonstrate the tools. So if you use these tools, you can dimension, 1,000 panel project, extremely quickly. It should not take you more than 1,000 minutes. And that is a huge deal for clients when they want drawings quickly. That's what you get when you get Tek1 on your projects. You'll get fast, accurate, dimensioning. Not just dimensioning, but every element of the project that can be automated will. Thank you for watching. I will see you later. Bye.